Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Aries. So please check your placements for sun, moon, rising, or if your Saturn is sitting in the sign of Aries, this is the career and finance reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is number 7, the Battle Wagon. So the Battle Wagon also represents the Chariot card, which tells me a lot of you people, in regards to your work, in regards to your finances, you are going places. So I'm not kidding, but this is the card and it's one of the major arcana. So major arcana, it talks about your big major themes in life, and it seems like for the month of April you are going places. So going places could be in two ways. You have enough cash, or you have saved enough for a holiday that you will be taking in the month of April. For all the others, it means that promotion is on the cards for you. So if you have been waiting for a promotion, if you have been waiting to do something, and if you have been contemplating whether you should stay in this city in which you are or you should move to a different city, well, this card showing up here tells you that it is definitely a good time to move. It's time. It's like telling you that it is through your determination and sheer will that you will be able to make progress. And especially in terms of the finances, this is a very positive card. For career growth, this is also a very positive card. Followed by number 11, which is the Standing Stone. Now, Standing Stone is also a very strong card when it comes to your career reading and Aries in general. You know, uh, in the normal natal chart by astrology, you are number one. That means you are the pioneer, you are the leader, you are the one who takes an initiative. And feel like because of your initiative, you are finally going to be in the spotlight. So a lot of recognition. I do see you making extra income, or you getting some kind of fame. Either you'll have your name published somewhere, but or you'll be the employee of the month, or team leader of the month or something like that. But it does seem like you are going to be appreciated for your work. You're going to be appreciated for all the work you have done, for all the efforts that you make. The next card that I have for you guys is the Five of Pentacles. Now, because you are doing all these things, and I also said there is a possibility that um, travel is also related. So it's also telling me despite going on travel, so if you guys are from the first batch who are going for travel, who have saved enough for a travel, there's also a chance that after all the traveling, and after having all those living or spending your time in luxury, finally a time is going to come which is going to make you really look at your finances, because something related to finances is going to happen. So sort of like a very mini setback is about to happen. So it may not actually happen, but what could happen is there could be a delay in some kind of payment. So you are starting the month right, but possibly in the middle of the month or towards the end of the month, there could be a payment that you are supposed to receive that might be delayed a little bit, not a long, just a little bit. The other card is two of themes, which is the Two of Swords. Now this card coming is telling you you will have to evaluate your options. So there could be an issue with cash inflow, cash outflow. You were expecting something, but that particular payment is going to be delayed. Now because this payment is going to be delayed, it's going to cause a little bit of financial setback. It's not going to be something big, it's going to be pretty small, but it's actually going to cause it. Maybe if you are switching to a new place, maybe your bank account is not set, which is why the cash that you're getting from work, you may not get it, but it could come in your old accounts or something like that. It's just that the cash flow is not going to be as smooth as you expect it to be, which will give you two options, and you'll have to evaluate your options. Like it'll give you like a little bit of time to think, and you'll have to think about what you want to do next. But don't worry, because whatever you end up doing, because number 2 is the number of Venus, and Venus talks about all about wealth. Venus is all about comfort. But despite whatever happens, you are still going to be making a good chunk of money, and you're going to bringing it home. There is a chance that you guys, because you are achieving so much recognition, you are achieving cash, finances are flowing for you, you guys might actually take your family out for dinner this month. If you haven't had a family get together, I do see it on your cards as well. In terms of investment, if you want to explore into investing in commodities, that seemed like a great idea here. The next card I have for you is the Page of Pentacles. Now if you look at Page of Pentacles, this guy has the magic, and there's also a pentacle. If you look closely, there's also a pentacle here, and he's doing some kind of magic. He's manifesting. So for you guys, if you guys are focused on manifesting money, on manifesting success in your career, in your finances, I do see you have the power, you have the capability. My suggestion to you, if you are into manifesting with the candle would actually be very helpful for you, just as here. Now, the only thing you have to remember is, with the Page of Pentacles, when this guy comes up with an idea, when this guy, comes up with a thing, it's for the long term. So if you are starting something new, just make sure, you stay with it. You don't try to, assume that a result is going to come very quickly, because quick results are not the case with you, because the pentacles has shown up. And also Aries, in general, Aries people are not very patient. So they're impatient because you're governed by a fiery sign. You're supposed to be quick, you're supposed to happen, you want everything to happen very, very quickly. The next card that I have for you guys is the Moon. So a lot of late nights are possible for you. You guys might be working a lot at night. You guys might have fears in regards to your job. For people who are looking for a job, yes, I do see after a hard period, you are finally going to get the job you deserve. You guys might have spent a lot of nights, staying awake, trying to think about, oh my god, what's going to happen. And then please make sure you check your communication channels very clearly, because I do see communication coming towards you very, very quickly. It could be from potential employers, it could be from all the networking events you have been attending, because you are coming into the limelight. This card is the card of coming into limelight, being the center of attention, and that is what is going to bring you multiple opportunities in your career. And then we have the Four of Pentacles. The Four of Pentacles is a card, again, it's a card of being cautious. It's like, even because you are fearful, see, we also have the Moon, and then we have the Four of Pentacles. It's when you become a little fearful, and you don't open yourself to opportunities, because somebody is standing here at the door, and this person wants to come towards you and offer you something, but you are just too skeptical about the entire situation, that you've not really decided whether you should give it a go or not. But considering how this reading is going, my suggestion to you would be open to any opportunity, because you have the capacity to be in the spotlight, to be there. And Aries in general, if you have all those qualities of Aries, if your moon is sitting in the sign of Aries, if you are an Aries ascendant, there are very strong chances that you are very eager to jump at the opportunities. And if you get out of this energy of being very skeptical and evaluating everything, I think you're going to take up on a lot of offers that are supposed to come towards you this month, and you are going to be very successful at it. Don't forget to check your monthly readings by your date of birth, and I will see you guys next time.